Introduce
Go!
Oh, hide and see there. This is Gary Outdoors. Today, well, we're gonna be dremeling down this blade right here. It looks like,
And
nothing
the blade
like
was made in part 2, and this is the handle to the blade. Oh, by the way, I'm Cotton TPG. I edited every video. Please subscribe to me. Yeah. So this is the handle that we did in part 1, and that's the blade he did in part 2. And yeah, so you need to go look at those too before you look at this, cause then you're an idiot. You gotta like all the videos also.
Yeah.
Cause if you like them,
you don't go to jail.
if you like them, you're savage for the day.
You're savage forever.
No, savage. I'm not.
And please leave a comment
If
if you
you
like.
subscribe and comment, you're savage forever.
Yes. And
And
like. There we go. Now let's start drumming.
if you leave a comment for a video you want us to do, we'll surely do it for you. As long as it doesn't.
Only blade making though. You have to request. Here's the deal.
If you ask me to make a Roman gladiator sword, I will make it.
Request any blade in the comments after part 5 of this, and we will make the blade for the YouTube series, and you'll get a major shout out if you do it. Okay? Okay.
And don't forget to subscribe to Galbraith Outdoors.
I'm Cotton TPG. Anyway.
Oh my God! Sparks are flying everywhere.
That's cool. But you want to tell them what's happening right now?
Yeah, I'm flattening it out and keeping it in the shape of a dagger with the Dremel. Shoot sparks at me a little bit.
You want to take turns? Okay.
No, just Fred will do it. Because we can't.
Boring episode. We have to do stuff to make it not boring.
So, don't forget, subscribe.
Oh, I like Gatorade. It tastes good.
Yeah, Gatorade's good.
It tastes good. Now you can space that.
Don't forget to look at episode 4, the next episode, and don't forget to watch all of our other episodes of Galbraith Outdoors. What an amazing channel. Bye. See you in part 4.